shelling corn. I don't know if you can see that right above the Louisville. It looks like a Goodyear blimp. Haven't seen that. We're quite a ways from Akron, Ohio, but haven't seen one of them in a while. I don't know if they're headed to Pittsburgh, but yeah, I'm shelling corn today. Last field, furthest away from the house. Just got opened up, just got started. It's so yeah, hold on, I'll bring you back. Alright, yeah, this is November 11th, 12th. I'm hoping. I got 16 acres here, which I don't know if I'll get it done today, but they're calling for snow tomorrow, and the ground's plenty wet. I'm just hoping I don't mark up the yard, mark up the field too bad, because this is rented ground. There's 3 acres on the other side of the woods over there, and 8 acres off here to my left, or my right. So, yeah, it's just kind of slow going here. I don't have a truck driver today. It's Monday. He's working. I took the day off to get as much done as I could. If I get this 16 acres, I'll be done for corn this year. So, I'm going to hustle today as much as I can. I got one dumping the truck over there. This field's always kind of a pain because it's 5 miles from home. It's still about 3 miles to the elevator, but home's on the other side of the elevator. And everything just kind of flip-flopped around. So if I have problems, I got to go back to the house. Hopefully I got enough tools and enough equipment to fix anything and keep on going. The farm where I haul. That's the top thing. Up further. That one. Okay, it's we're done. I don't know what the date is. It's Sunday. We're blowing the combine off with the leaf blower, blowing all the loose corn, all the dust off of it, and getting it ready to put in the shed. Clean the cab out, clean anything nesting material, any kind of feed for the mice. We did find out we blew blew an exhaust manifold gasket the other night running in corn. Blew the Louisville out. We're going to mothball, put the mothballs in it, and put it away for the year. He's up there with a leaf blower blowing the cab out. Yeah, we got done with corn on Tuesday, and Tuesday night late, Thursday night we got a bunch of freezing rain and sleet, and we had a bunch of downed trees, so we didn't do anything Friday. Saturday we were running generators trying to keep the power on, but Sunday all the power's back on. We're cleaning things out. We're going to put it away for the year. So Right down here, some of the dust we blew out of it. I drug the crap out of the building with the back blade, and yeah, so we're cleaning her up to put her away. Yeah, I won't pressure wash it when we're just putting it away, because the oil water gets into anything and rusts the bearings up. They'll have bad bearings, so we'll just blow it off, put it away, and in the spring we'll get it out and pressure wash it. So yeah, we were in a lot of mud. Tuesday night we mudded out a lot of corn, so but we're done. I realized I had a tick in the engine, but I knew exactly what it was, but I didn't crawl up here to find out. So we're going to have to change this drop manifold gasket. And, yeah, we probably won't wait to do that till summer, so we'll put it away for the year.